Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 2 of financial management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Financial analysis mainly evaluates a firm's dash, a human resource. B. Past and present financial performance. C. Marketing efficiency. D. Production system. The answer for this question is B. Past and present financial performance. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a major area of financial analysis? A. Profitability analysis. B. Risk analysis. C. Source and use of funds. D. Market segmentation. The answer for this question is D. Market segmentation. Question number 3. Comparative statement analysis comprises dash: A. Ratios between firms. B. Current assets with liabilities. C. Data over different periods. D. Sales with profit. The answer for this question is C. Data over different periods. Question number 4. A very high current ratio indicates dash: A. Idle current asset. B. Insolvency. C. High leverage. D. Low liquidity. The answer for this question is A. Idle current assets. Question 5. If current asset is 400 and current liability is equal to 200, current ratio which is equal to dash. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. So current asset is 400 divided by current liability is 200, which is equal to 2.0A. Question number 6. If cash is 50,000, receivable which is equal to 30,000, inventory 20,000, current liability is equal to 100,000, then quick ratio is equal to dash. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. Here quick asset is cash and receivable. When we add this, it is 80,000 divided by current liability. The current liability is 100,000, so which is equal to, the result is 0.8. C. The answer is C. Question number 7. The ratio that shows how efficiently assets are used to generate sales is dash: A. Leverage ratio. B. Activity ratio. C. Liquidity ratio. D. Profitability ratio. The answer for this question is B. Activity ratio. Question number 8. A company with a very low accounts receivable turnover likely has dash: A. Strict credit policy. B. Weak collection effort. C. Low sales. D. High cash ratio. The answer for this question is B. Weak collection effort. Question number 9. If sales is equal to 600,000 and average receivable which is equal to 100,000, then account receivable turnover is equal to dash. Account receivable turnover is equal to sales divided by account receivable. So sales is 600,000, account receivable is 100,000, when divide 600,000 by 100,000 is equal to 6 times. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Question number 10. A low inventory turnover generally implies dash: A. Strong demand, B. High inventory sales, C. Efficiency sales strategy, D. Fast moving goods. The answer for this question is B. High inventory levels. Question number 11. If cost of goods sold is equal to 900,000 and average inventory is equal to 115,000, then the inventory turnover is equal to dash. The inventory turnover is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. That means 900,000 divided by 150,000, which is equal to 6 times. The answer is C. Question number 12. A high debt ratio indicates dash: A. Strong owner financing, B. Greater creditor dependency, C. More liquidity, D. High profitability. The answer for this question is B. Greater creditor dependency. B. Greater creditor dependency. Question number 13. If earning before interest and tax is equal to 450,000 and interest is 30,000, then the time interest earned is equal to dividing earning before interest and tax 415,000 by interest 30,000, which is equal to 15. So the answer is D, 15. Question number 14. Profitability ratio measure dash: A. Solvency, B. Operational efficiency, C. Debt utilization, D. Asset turnover. The answer for this question is B. Operational efficiency. Question number 15. If net profit is 60,000 and the sales is 300,000, the net profit margin, which is equal to dash. So the profit margin, to calculate the profit margin, we have to divide this net profit by sales. So 60,000 divided by 300, which is equal to 0.2, which means 20%. The answer is D. Question number 16. Return on equity shows dash: A. Debt efficiency, B. Profit to shareholders funds, C. Liquidity strength, D. Market share. The answer for this question is B. Profit to shares funds. Question number 17. To improve liquidity without borrowing, a firm could dash: A. Reduce inventory, B. Increase long-term debt, C. Declare dividends, D. Delay collections. The answer for this question is A. Reduce inventory. Question number 18. A firm's price earnings ratio mainly reflects dash: A. Tax rate, B. Inventory expectation, C. Cash position, D. Depreciation method. The answer for this question is B. Inventory expectations. Question number 19. A financial forecasting mainly projects dash: A. Market share, B. Future financial condition, C. Employee turnover, D. product quality. The answer for this question is B, future financial condition. Question number 20. A high dividend payout ratio usually means dash: A, more retained earnings; B, high debt usage; C, high reinvestment; D, low growth prospectus. The answer is D, low growth prospectus. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you for attending this program.